Well, for tomorrow, really take advantage of any outdoor activities because it's going to be warm, but also dry. Sunday, we'll keep it mostly dry, but by then we lose the sunshine. We're going to be dealing with those clouds, and we also begin to increase those snow chances. It's really by the time we get towards Sunday night when the weather really goes into a tailspin, and then going into Monday morning, that's really when we're going to start feeling the brunt of that storm. We're mostly going to be dealing with snow throughout the western UP, but it's towards the east where it gets a little bit tricky as we introduce the chance of a wintry mix and even the chance of some rain. So if you're traveling, say, east of Marquette, that's where we're going to encounter the biggest problems when it comes to what precip type you will encounter on Monday. Further towards the west, it's going to be snow, but we're going to talk a little about that in just a moment. Now, when it comes to a little bit of a science lesson here, ice on a river, 15% weaker than ice on a lake, and that's because of the fact that there are river currents moving through, and that's really just going to, kind of destabilize a little bit of that ice. The reason that I'm showing this graphic is because of the fact that temperatures are above freezing, and you want to be careful out there if you're going to do any ice activities today or tomorrow. Make sure to really test out that ice, and even going into Sunday as well, especially with the thawing in the daytime and then refreezing at night. So just be careful out there when it comes to that thawing process over the next couple of days. Now, for today, though, we're dealing with just cloudy skies. We did have a little bit of sunshine this morning, a couple of sprinkles beginning to roll through parts of the western UP around Ironwood and heading over towards Ontonagon. Now, when it comes to accumulations, we're not really expecting anything. This is just a little bit of moisture kind of lingering from that little disturbance that tried to sneak through yesterday. Kind of this is like the tail end of it. The actual big storm that we got to wait for is the one that will arrive on Monday, and it's beginning to get its act together in parts of the Rockies going into today and into tomorrow. So for today, though, the cold air, pretty much hard to find. So that's great news for all of us. We're finally warming up, and it's probably going to at least stick around through the majority of the weekend. For tomorrow, temperatures similar to what we're having today. Areas getting close to 40 degrees. We continue to deal with that plethora of warmth, and then here's where the cookie begins to crumble. So for tomorrow, though, we'll deal with partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. Sunday, we deal with cloudy skies. First chance of some snow possible. It really begins to accumulate by the time we get towards Sunday night. And then on Monday, that's where we start beginning to encounter the problems. As a low pressure makes its way through parts of Iowa and Wisconsin and gets eventually to the state of Michigan, we're going to start seeing those winds picking up as well. So that's going to be reducing that visibility where the snow is falling. But then towards the east, we're going to be dealing with that wintry mix, and especially with the fact that this system can move towards the west, towards the east, can determine where that freezing rain line, where the snow, where the rain will be. Still too early to tell. So, but as of right now, the models are showing more confidence that we're going to be dealing with more snow towards the west, more of a wintry mix towards the east, and then eventually mostly pure rain as you head downstate. So if you are going to be traveling on Monday, really be mindful of the fact that the weather will be downright nasty pretty much through the entire state. Doesn't matter if it's rain, snow, or even freezing rain. For tonight, though, 26 degrees. We're going to keep it warm and pleasant. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Throughout the day tomorrow, winds shifting a little bit out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So a little bit of a northerly breeze out there, but temperatures very nice. 40 degrees in Iron Mountain, 39 in Ontonagon, 38 in Manistee. So really enjoy your Saturday. Sunday, we lose the sun, and we get ready for the snow to come on Sunday night going into Monday. Temperatures begin to drop off as well from those 30s down into those lower 20s by Tuesday and Wednesday.